Do you have an error preventing the Alttab module DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. To start the walkthrough for Alttab module, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Alttab module, a specialized library often installed by third-party Alttab replacements or classic shell utilities, like RetroBar. It manages the UI hooks for the task switching window. If missing, the system may fall back to the default Alttab, or the third-party utility will fail to start, reporting a task switcher hook failed. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Because Alttab module DLL is specific to the localized shell/window orchestration runtime environment standard, Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program where the error occurs to refresh the application and restore the file. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Alttab module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Alttab module DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the Diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping Alttab module synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Alttab module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.